Hello guys, welcome back. So this time we are going to learn about some properties of law of exponent of logarithmic. Okay, so basically for the logarithmic here we have some rules that you have to memorize, and on the other side, like this one is about condensing. You're making it like simpler, and the other side is about making it like larger, like expand. Okay. So here we go. Product rule. So let's say they have a same base. Do you see they have a same base here? In that case, by the product rule, what we can do is we can multiply these two numbers. So this one is gonna be log base 2, 2x times 3, which will become log base 2, 6x. Okay? Same thing here. They have a same base, so we can multiply them together. 7x times x. You're not adding it, you're multiplying it, this num. So it's gonna be log base 5. 7x times x is gonna be 7x squared. This is what we call product rule. Now, quotient rule. So this one, when this one is plus, we multiply. What if it is minus? That's simple. We divide. Obviously, they should have same base. So it's going to be 12x divided by 2. And this one will become log base 5. 12x divided by 2 is 6. Like that, okay? Same thing here. It's going to be what? Natural log, by the way, natural log is like log base e, right? So they have a same base, which is e. So subtract, which means you're gonna divide. And as you know, 6 divided by 3 is 2. X cubed divided by x squared, which means 3 minus 2 is gonna be just x. This one is a law of exponent, by the way. Right? So that's a divide. So at this point, you should be able to do this. You should be able to do this as well. All right. Oh, and let's talk about the power rule. Now, if you have any number in front of like logarithmic like this, what you can do is you can put it on top of here. So this one is same as log base 2, 3x to the 5th power, like that. Okay, and if you want to, you can just distribute it here inside, but I'm not gonna ask you to do it. Same thing here, 1/2. You can put it on top of here, so it's gonna be same as this. Right? So now you can try these questions by yourself. Right now, pause the video, try these questions by yourself. Okay, and I'm gonna write down the answers. So this is gonna be what? And now it's subtract, so you're gonna divide, so it's gonna be 2x, because 10 divided by 5 is 2. And this one is, you cannot do anything else, so you're gonna just put it like this. And this one is gonna be what? 3x squared. Pretty simple, isn't it? Now, question number 7 and question number 8, it's very simple as well. Let's subtract, so natural log. You cannot simplify this one, so you're gonna just leave it like that as well. And this one, power rule, you have a number in front of here, so you can put it here. Like that. So that's it for this part. Let's go to another page here. So what about here? Now we in the front page, we kind of like condensed, like made it, what's that called? Simpler, right? This page, we are gonna expand, okay? Because if you can condense like that, that means you can make this one into this one as well. So let's do this. This one is like 2 times x, isn't it? So you can expand it like this. All right? By the way, this and this, if you have a same base with this number, this one is equal to 1. You can just put this one into calculator and see what you get. All right? You can just put this one into calculator, then you're gonna get 1. 10, how can you break down 10? By 5 and 2. All right? Oh, it's 5. Like that. And this one, obviously they have a base with this one. If you just put this one into calculator, it's gonna be equal to 1. And if you put this one into calculator, you're gonna get some ugly decimals. So you're gonna just write it like that. All right? So if you wanna do this one, check for understanding, you can try this question, and this question. Now, let's try to expand this. Now it's a 3x minus 2 divided by 7, right? So it's very easy. I mean, I don't think we will have enough space unless we use space wisely. Minus log base 5 and 7. And again, if you put this one into calculator, you're gonna see very ugly numbers. So that's it. That's what you have. Let me put parentheses here. Same thing here. Log base 2, x minus 2, minus log base 2 and 3. Just don't forget, if it is divide, it's minus. And again, you can combine this one together to get this one as well. Right? Now, power rule. As I said, if you have a number in front of it, you can put it on top of it, right? Now it's gonna be opposite. If just like opposite, if you have it on top of it, you can put it here like that. So it's gonna be 5 log base 2 3x. Okay, now you don't have to do this part, but you can expand it further. You know, this one is 3 times x, right? So it's gonna be same as log 5 log base 2 and 3 plus, you have to write 5 again, log base 2 and x. You can expand it like this. All right, this 5 goes here and here when you break it into a part, okay, because of the distributive property. Same thing here, you can put it here like that, 5 and 5x. If you leave it like that, that's fine, but in multiple choice questions, you may have this one as well, so you might want to practice. Oh yeah, especially for this one, my plus log, oh, I forgot 1/2 base 5 and x. And as you know, this one is equal to 1, right? If you put this one into calculator, I mean, you can just put 1/2 as well into calculator. So it's gonna be 1/2 times 1 plus 1/2 log base 5 x. And this one is same as 1/2 plus 1/2 log base 5x if you expand everything. But if you leave it like this, I will still consider that as an answer. Just you have to know you can expand it like that. That's the condition. So that's it for this lesson. Very simple, straightforward. You can pause the video right now and finish this one by yourself, right? Pause the video and finish it by yourself. And meanwhile, I'm gonna write down the answer for you so that you can check your answer. But you should not just copy this one. Then you know you will have to pay for it. And this 15, you can expand it further like this, right? This one is same as log base 2, 5x plus 1 minus log base 2 and 3. It's minus because it's division, and you cannot break it apart because it's plus, not multiplication, okay? These two are just too obvious, I'm not going to go over it. This one is same as 3 log base 2 and 3x, and as you can see, this one you can break down further like that. And if you put this one into a calculator, you're going to get ugly fractions, so you don't have to do that part. So it's same thing here, like that. And you can, you can break it apart, right? So that's all you need to know. If you have any question, just let me know, then so that I can help you. See you guys. Bye.